The thrill of river tubing adventure.
Yo, you're a good team.
Prepare yourself for an exhilarating journey down the Pacarazon River.
You guy.
This is more than just tubing. It's an adventure packed with excitement, beauty, and unforgettable moments. Feel the adrenaline rush as you navigate Class 3-4 rapids, with splashes of cool river water adding to the thrill.
Yeah, you good. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, float and wind. Wow.
Glide through a jungle paradise, surrounded by towering cliffs and the symphony of nature as the lush rainforest embraces you on both sides. Halfway through, you'll discover a hidden waterfall, tucked away like a secret gem amidst the cliffs.
Great, yo! Are you okay? Good? Okay. Yo, good! Good!
We'll pause here to let you soak in its beauty and capture stunning photos, an experience you'll treasure forever. We'll make another stop at the sacred Beji Spring, a place of purification for locals. Dip your hands into the crystal clear water, refresh your senses, and snap more photos against this serene and spiritual backdrop. As you continue downstream, the river's pace softens, offering a more relaxing vibe. Drift along, unwind on your tube, and take in the peaceful surroundings. And for the adventurers, there's a chance to jump into the river's source, a heart-pounding, joy-filled moment you'll never forget. Throughout the journey, our friendly staff will assist you with navigating tricky spots, ensuring safety, and capturing candid photos of your adventure.
It's really fun, guys, to do tubing in this recent river in Papakiring area. 1, 2.
From rapids to hidden treasures, every moment is designed to make your river tubing experience unforgettable.